In this video, how to fix the Counter-Strike 2 lag and the pocket loss issues. So first go to run as CMD and run as administrator. In this, you need to write some commands. So first is ipconfig slash flush DNS. Yes, write it and click enter, and yes, it's successfully flushed. Then after you need to write ipconfig slash release. Yes. After checking this all it's fine, then go to third ipconfig slash renew as write it and click enter. Then go to fourth step net sh winsock reset. Yes, after clicking this, go to fifth step. Yes, it successfully reset the winstock. And fifth step is net sh int ip reset. This is important steps. After this, you need to check all of fine, and after you need to exit. Then after you need to restart and check if it's still the issues remain, then go to second step, second method, go to settings. In this settings, you need to go to privacy and security tab. You need to click the privacy and security, and after you need to scroll down, then you can see the notification option is there. You need to click the notification option and you need to disable it. If the notification is enabled means you need to disable it and go back. And in after you need to go to network and internet settings. In the network and internet settings, you go to advanced network settings, click it, and go to network reset, click it, and here you need to reset the network. So once resetting, it will automatically PC will be resetted after resetting network. So once after resetting, go to system, then in system settings, scroll down, you can see the display settings is there. Click the display settings and you need to scroll down and you can see the graphics setting is there. This is important settings. You need to click the graphics and go to advanced graphics settings and need to enable the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling and the variable refresh rate. It should be both should be in enable mode. So make sure it's important settings. So both should be in enable mode. After enabling it, close your settings, and once reset your PC, then check it, the problem will be fixed. Thank you.